This video was sponsored by One Nest Studios. Elevate your sound. If you're looking for a studio that is reasonably priced to record your music, podcasts, etc., then you cannot go wrong with One Nest Studios. Contact the number down below or the email address or visit their website for more details. Thank you. Hi, this is my video on the ULANZI Gopro Max Case. Now this is a unique case that ULANZI does for the GoPro Max camera, 360 camera, and what it's designed for is to go over the GoPro Max while still on its selfie stick. So when you do buy this, now you can purchase this off Amazon, roughly around about £13, but I suggest you get it from eBay instead, because on eBay they vary in price from as low as £4 all the way up to £10, so it's cheaper to go on eBay. But when you do get it, it's in this kind of packaging here. And one thing I like with ULANZI, I like how they use their packaging. Not everything goes in a box. They could just use a simple bag like this for something like this protective case. And on the back here, if you want the code, it's the GM-1 GoPro Max protecting bag for GoPro Max. That's how it looks when it's out the case. It has this nice material. It is a hard case, and we have a dome on top here for the camera facing you, or lens facing you, and a dome on the back here, which is obviously for the front of the GoPro Max here as well. It has this nice zipper all the way around, zip all the way around, and comes out into two bits like that. And we have the words ULANZI embossed in there as well, and ULANZI embossed on this side as well, and just a print of ULANZI. Now the unique thing with this is that when you zip it, it doesn't exactly come all the way around. There is a gap here. Fit your GoPro Max in there. You simply open this out, take your GoPro Max, make sure the front of your GoPro Max goes to where this indentation is. So just place it in there, close it up, zip that all the way around to the actual GoPro thumb screw, and then that's it, and your GoPro Max is now protected. Not only it's protected by the covers that you get with the GoPro Max inside, which are these things if you've still got them, but it gives you double the protection. And also when you're traveling from shoot to shoot, you can just simply put this like that into your bag and you won't scratch up the screen or your GoPro Max as it is. So, and it's still, everything is still normal. You can still use your selfie stick or shorty like what I've got on here without no problems. It's just helps to keep an extra bit of protection for your GoPro Max. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I totally understand. And please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.